Yeah. So let's. So yesterday, basically, we were focusing on the joining part. Join the when we want to display data from more than one table, then we are going to use the join concept, and that can be done with the help of some syntax that we have gone through. Now I'm just going to discuss. So far we have discussed the DQL part, query part, right? So if you remember, we have gone through DQL, then DDL, then DML, those things were there. Now to discuss further on this, means you can say the query, that means the fetching data from more than one table. So we are going to focus, or we are going to discuss something right now in next 15-20 minutes about DDL, data definition language. Okay, so for that I'm going to share my screen. I hope you are getting my screen. Okay, and you're getting screen, right? White screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so dot set that ora env, then ABC. As I mentioned, this step we are doing for starting the database. See, same thing I'm doing daily, nothing new in this context. I'm just setting the environment and just doing startup and then exiting, and then I'm logging to that HR user. So once you learn, lifetime the same thing you are going to do. Nothing old, new, nothing as such. Same thing. Now, I just exit from here, and now I'm going to the user where we are doing practice, and that is HR, and the password is this. Now, another way of login is this also. I'm exit, and here I'm giving SQL plus. At one go, I can give HR/Oracle. This way also, see, it connected. Another way also we can do SQL plus, same thing, okay, /Oracle. But as per the standard industry standard, we have to log in this fashion. SQL plus HR, enter password. Can you tell me what is the disadvantage of login in this way or the previous way I just I have shown you, like this one? What is the disadvantage? Can you please tell me? Any idea? What is the disadvantage of that compared to this? And that is the reason.
Password is so to everyone.
Yes. So password is getting exposed. That is the reason. Maybe if somebody is just sitting near or behind you, or normally due to n number of circumstances, n number of situation, we used to share our screen, just like I'm sharing my screen, right? So anybody will able to just see, or the password is getting exposed. That is not the good practice. But if I'm doing in this fashion, this way, we are hiding our password, and that is the reason this is. Now coming back to DDL. So DDL, what if you remember, which all are the keyword we have used? Something called create, something called alter, something called drop, these kind of things. So create means what? So far what we have done is we have used whichever query we have learned, we are running those query on existing tables like employees and departments. What if you want to create your own table, how to create it? So for that only we have to learn the DDL part, and for that it's very easy. Suppose we want to create one table and that table is going to have only 3 or 4 column, only 3 to 4 column, that's it. So for that, what is the command? Create table. Suppose I'm giving Uma EMP. Any name you can give. Create table name. Then you have to give the column name and data type. So I'm giving EID, employee ID. Then varchar 2, I'm giving suppose 10. Then I'm giving name. I'm giving varchar 2 30. Then I'm giving suppose joining date, which type? Date, data type. And last one I'm giving salary. What salary? Number. Then what digit maximum? 10, 2. We have discussed what is 10, 2. That's it. Now you might be thinking, sir, oh, how come you didn't just see anything and you are typing? If you do 3-4 times, you won't need to just see anything. And I'm doing this for years, 18-20 years, this kind of thing. So if same thing you are doing on the daily basis, it is not, it's easy. Anybody can do. Even 3, 4, 5 class student will able to do also without any issues. So it's not now, but sir, if I don't remember the syntax, nothing to worry. Just Google it. I don't remember each and every syntax. For me, worldwide, everybody is taking help of Google for syntax. But yes, I know the concept. I know what I'm going to do, which way it is getting done. Nobody will ask you syntax. If somebody is asking syntax, if you just stuck somewhere, no as such negative marking will be there. But if you are stuck with the basic concept, if somebody will ask us, okay, can you please tell me the example of DDLs? So you are DDL example, you are giving select. Nobody will take you. DDL means create or alter or drop. DQL means select. So that basic concept. So I have created this, then Uma EMP. See, this table got created. So this is what we created the structure. Now you might be coming, sir, but this EID is you have given a character. I want to keep this in the number. I want to change it in the number type. So how to do? So create keyword we have gone through. Second keyword I have told alter. So alter table name, whichever alter table name. Then modify what? Then which type you want to give? As I mentioned, number. What? Only 4 digit you want to give. Number this. When to start it, you will do practice, you will get error. Sometimes you will not give space. It happens with everybody. You cannot be perfect at day one. Nobody. So if you'll do practice first time, maybe I'm doing like this. Suppose I forgot to give the closing bracket and I'm giving. So this kind of error will come. Sometime what you will do, maybe EMP modify, some spelling mistake, knowingly I'm doing it. Okay, EID number. So you are going to get error. But sir, how to remember? If you don't remember, it's simple. Google it. You'll come to know about this. Okay. Now, if I'll display it now, see it changed to number. It was varchar. No, sir. I want to add one more column. Remark. So what to do for that? You have created, you have modified the existing column. You are going to add new column into this table. Same alter command. Alter table, table name, add column, suppose remark, REMAR, remark. What type? Worker. What value you want to give? 30 or any value you can give. See, describe Uma EMP. Clear? No issues? But sir, I don't, suppose your senior asks you, no, Uma, we don't want that remark column. Just better remove it. Clean it out. Same thing, alter table, table name. Then drop column. Which column? Describe. See, very important for the day-to-day activity is when we are, if you are working as a maybe fresher, maybe little experience, you want to create one table just like whatever their existing table called Uma EMP. Same, only table name will be different. Because right now we are seeing only 4 column. It may be 40 column. It may be 100 column in the table. So if duplicate table, if somebody will ask you to create, again, you are going to create table, table name, this, you have to write so many. That can be done. Very easy way. Or forget about this one. I want to create one table, just like employees table, with whatever data is there inside, all that. That means I want to make a copy of existing table with a different name, with data, or maybe without data, whichever way you want. Both way is possible. It's very important, very easy also. How to do? Create table, table name. Table name I'm giving new EMP I'm giving. Okay, any name you can give. As, see, select star from table name, means existing table name which is already there. We know this employee table is already available in this user. So create table this as C, and if you see, describe new EMP, see, entire exactly everything got created. If you see inside, select star from new EMP, see, all 107 107 record is there. Select star from tab. We know what is this. See, So we have learned create, we have learned alter, we have under alter we have added new column, change the derivative of existing column. Okay, remove existing column, all those are coming under alter. We have learned how to create table with existing table, just copy. Now you can ask, sir, can suppose my request or my what I got one request from my manager saying that okay, one table is there, existing table having 15 column. Out of that 15 column, you want to create new table with only 5 column, 5 existing column which is available in that table. So out of 15, only 5 column should be created with new table name. With data. With data means whatever data is there, but only 3 columns data I want, not all. How to do? Again, the same way, it's very easy. See, create table, any new table name I'm giving new EMP1 as. Now you have to give the column name. How? Select, suppose last name. This is the existing column name in the table. Last name. Then you can give suppose salary. That's it. Two column. From employees. See, if I'll show you new EMP1. See, select start from new EMP1. Only 2 columns. Columns are existing table. See how easy it is. Now, okay, sir, everything's done now. We want to drop it. How to drop? What we have to do to drop it? Drop table, table name, drop table, whichever is the new EMP, drop table, table name. See, table is gone. Select, start from tab. See, that EMP new is gone. Nowhere is there. You want to delete this, drop table, table name. Gone. Likewise, you will able to. Sir, I want to change this table name. Is it possible? Let's see. Now see, select start from. See, Uma EMP or new something was there. Uma EMP table name was there, and that become Uma.
Yes, sir.
So this particular whatever command, this rename is not there in the. So DDL is 3. Create, alter, drop. And one more is there coming under DDL is truncate. If you want to remove data from existing table, the entire record you want to cleaned up or remove, and that data will never come back. Never come back. Just like shift delete, you know what it is doing? Shift delete. Have you ever in Windows have you ever used shift delete? If you'll do delete any file with shift delete, you cannot be take it back from recycle bin. The thing will not go to recycle bin. It will be removed forever. So same way, if you want to remove entire tables data and don't want to take it back, just like undo kind of thing. Control Z we used to do, right? Just to undo the activity. So if you want to remove the records from the table permanently, no way you are going to take it back. So there is a command known as truncate. Truncate table name. So the data which is available in this table will be vanish. So total 4. Broader use create, alter, drop. Some advanced if you will work as a suppose database administrator, for that truncate, because all these commands what we have learned in last 15 to 20 minutes, this is basically being used by the database administrator on the server, production server, or the live data environment. As a developer, you might be knowing it or somebody know it, but they are not going to have permission to perform this activity what we have done in last 15-20 minutes. Sir, how to give permission, how to all these things is out of scope of this. This is basically what people used to learn in the Oracle DBA course, DBA professionals. Okay, now, so this is all about DDL. Now, next thing is DML, data manipulation language. How or which all are the keyword is available for this? So what we have discussed, it's insert, update, delete, merge. If you revisit the lesson, last to last session, it's written. Okay. And how to do this insert? Suppose you created one new table. Just what? Let me create one more time. Okay, it's already there. I have dropped it. So Uma, yeah, Uma is there. So select start from Uma. Nothing is there. No records are available. And under this, which all are the column? We have 4 column is there. So how to insert record into this? It's very easy. Insert into table values. Sir, can I give any other keyword? No, never. Whatever is there, this is the rule we have to follow. So insert into table values. First is EID, means employee ID. I'm giving 101, comma. Second one is name. I'm giving some Uma. But whenever we are giving name, it should be in single quotation. This is again rule. You cannot insert a value without giving single quotation. That's simple. Date data type. So joining date. So I'm giving, suppose again, you have to give date within single quotation. So I'm giving here DDMONYY. That format should be there. Sir, I want to insert into different format. Here, you have to give that format only. Yes, there is a way you can use function to convert into different format, but the default format you cannot give other than this format. Suppose 10 May 20. Okay, this one. So this far you cannot write 10-05-20. No. If you want to do it, you need to learn some other way, just like we have learned some function, inbuilt function to care to date. One function is there. With the help of that we can do, but normally this is the standard format. You cannot change it, and other than this format, table data will not take it directly. Indirectly, you have to keep data in this format only that we discussed. So what else? Salary. So salary maybe 20, 1, 2, 3. I'm giving this much. See, one row. created. Same way, you want to give some other value. 102 Nam Raj, then maybe 20th June, maybe 19, or any value you can give. What else? Salary, you want to give 34K. That's it. If you see now, select star from table name. Which table name? We have given Uma. See? Now, next question. It's very important. Okay. These are the very small things, but very important. You might be thinking, sir, but now you are saying it's very tough to remember everything. No need to remember. This thing is already, it's there in live. You can go to that SHA Data University. You can just simply, whatever recording 7-8 session we have done, it's already there in YouTube. You can just revisit it. You can ask how on which way. So simply you can go to Google. Simple. I'm just showing you how you can just you can Google it on YouTube. And under that, you can search saying SHA Data University. See, this is yesterday's session is already there. See, these are all of the session. See what we have done in the first session, the putty configuration and all those. This is all sessions are there. See, career engineering. These are the things. Even whatever right now I'm just doing, that is also getting live. See, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can just revisit it. It's not that it's gone means gone. No, it's up to you. Okay, now what next I'm going to do? Your boss asks, okay, Uma, do one thing. You insert records, but I don't want to put any salary for the employee. Next, new employee. Right now, salary is not decided, so leave this column blank. How to do that? Very important for our interview purpose. Okay, so you have to mention all the column which you want to enter. You don't want to enter salary. See what I'm doing. You have to give the first column is EID. So you are giving EID, comma, you want to give name, comma, you want to give joining date, JDT. Then value. So the bottom line, whatever number of column we have in the table, if you want to insert data less than that, you can explicitly mention the column name for which you want to put data. I don't want to put data for salary. That's what I have not mentioned salary column in this. So insert into this values, EID, name, then we have to give 103. Okay. Then I'm giving nickel, NIKHI. Then we have to give joining date. So I'm giving, suppose 21 October 1999. So 1999 will not take. Okay, that's it. I don't want to give salary. Some error is there. Insert into table values. I have given 2 time. Okay. So there is a syntax error. Insert into table, we have to mention three column name. Then we have to give values. This one extra values I have given is 2 time I put value. See, 2 time I have given this bracket. So these are all are will. The moment you'll do practice, you'll able to catch then and there. You might be thinking now how fast, how you'll able to understand this is. So it's a practice. The more you'll do practice, more you will also able to do the way I'm doing it, even better than that. See, now if you'll go select start from table name. See, so this is about insert. Now you might be thinking, sir, but again and again we have to give insert into then this. It is a lot of time taking, right? Another easy way is there. See what I'm doing. Insert into table, values. Then first is number type. So I'm giving EID, comma. This is a character type. So within single quotation, same thing I'm giving. Name. Third one is of what? Joining date. So within single quotation, joining date. Then salary. So salary is of what? Number type. So no need to give single quotation. What? Salary. And see what is happening now. Just like you have you ever gone through C basic? You know, you have learned C language.
Yes, sir.
So just like while doing scanf, we used to use address, right? And sign. Same
Yes.
thing here. It is doing. It is going to take a runtime value. I just hit enter. See, enter value for EID. I'm giving 104. Enter value for name. Sorry, I should not give that quotation here because quotation I already given. Then date of joining 13, suppose May 99, 99 or 88. So then salary maybe 77K. See, again, no need to write anything. See, simply you have to give front slash. Front slash I gave, hit enter. Give again 106. Then name whatever name you want to give. Date of joining 22 Feb 114. Salary. Keep giving. See, this is last name. Joining date. Is it making sense what I'm doing? All of you?
Data entry, sir.
Yes. So data entry in the table, existing table, right? Now, somebody asks, okay, that's okay, but your boss asks, okay, Nikhil's salary is blank. Can you enter value for this salary, maybe 50K, 50,000 for this? You want to update this 50,000. Right now it's blank. You want to update with 50,000. So far under DML, we have learned insert. Now we are going to learn update. So update table. Update table, table name. Set salary equal to 50K. Where, whose salary you want to update? Employee ID 103. Making sense what I'm doing?
Yes, sir.
Syntax update table name. Okay. If I'll give select star from, see, it got updated. Same way, if you want to update the name, same syntax, update this, instead of set salary, set name equal to, suppose you want to give Anna is there, I'm giving unknown. Any name you can give. Same, where EID is what? 104. Instead of equal to what I gave this, so it is giving error. So equal to 104. See, if you'll see, select star from, Uma. See, this got updated. This got updated. This. Now, this is again little tricky, but very important. So far, whatever we have entered, not saved permanently. Sir, how to confirm it's not saved? What I'm doing, I'm opening another window. Another window, okay? We know what is the window I'm talking about. So I'm opening another window I have opened. Same way, I'm just ABC database is there, and I'm logged to HR user. HR password is Oracle. Just like you are using Gmail, so you can use two browser, two different, and you can use your Gmail from that browser also. Same you, but two window you are getting. Same thing here I did. One window is already open, another window, new window I have opened, and I connected to the same database. And see, if I'll give this command, select star from Uma. What I said sometime back, just that the data, what is there right now, whatever we have kept, not saved permanently. Though it's not saved, that is the reason other session, whenever we are giving, no data is coming. So question is, sir, how to saved table data? It's not saved yet, but how to save it? So there is a command. So transaction language, we have DTL. If you remember, I have just written DTL, transaction language. So COMMIT, commit. The moment I'll make this commit statement, this data will be saved permanently into the database. So far, it's there in the memory. That means the existence of this is not permanent yet. Whether it's there in the memory or somewhere, we don't know, but it's not permanent simply. But I gave this. The moment I gave this, now you give same command here, same select star from, and you'll able to see this. Make sense? What commit is doing? It's clear, all of you, right? Saving data permanently. That's what it did. Now, I want to delete this record. How to delete it? You want to delete one single record. So, delete from table where EID equal to 107. Select star from ma. So it's gone. But if you will see here, if I'll run same command again, and this is there. Can you tell me why? Anyone can answer this?
Format not.
Yes. So the moment you will give commit, that means it's not saved permanently, right? That's what you wanted to say. And if I'll give /enter, this last command, whatever we have given, last statement, that will execute. See? It's gone. So hope commit is clear, delete is also clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, so insert, update, delete, this is coming under DML, data manipulation language. So DQL, DML, DDL, we have gone through, right? Now, under DTL, we have given commit. One more command is there in DTL transaction languages, rollback. What is rollback? Just rollback is just like undo. Let me just show you here. Same, I'm just using this statement. Okay, it will ask. So I'm giving 110. Then I'm giving name. I'm giving G. Then date of December 21 or maybe 20, and salary is 40. Okay. Select star from table name. It's there. G. Now, likewise, you have entered 3-4 value, and suddenly your boss came and suggested, okay, do one thing. I don't want whatever last 3 entry you made. So you know you didn't give commit. And if I'll see here, these data is not, see, JIT is not there. Simple, I'll give a rollback. Just like rollback is just like undo we used to do. Rollback. See, rollback completed. And now if I'll give this command, see whatever data after commit, last time whatever commit we did, after that I made entry, one entry, that is not committed. So whichever data is not committed, after commit, whatever entry I made, the moment I'll put a rollback command, all the data, all the record will be undo. Which all after commit. Once you make commit, you cannot be, the data will not be rolled back. Let's try. Same thing I'm doing here. ID I'm giving 10, name is I'm giving G, the date of Feb 11, salary I'm giving this, select star from Uma, I'm giving this, and now I'm giving commit, and then I'll give a rollback. Once you did commit and then rollback, no happen. See? Are you getting the point?
Yes,
That
sir.
means once you saved it and then you'll give rollback, it won't work. Rollback will not work. Rollback is for data which is not committed yet. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the whole idea about the basics of this. And that's it for this whatever season we have gone through.